The Stay Hold Metro Shopping Holder Kit is designed to keep your trunk tidy and your cargo secure. Priced at $39.99, this kit includes 2 Metro large carpet holders, 2 quick straps, 2 Metro small holders, and 2 utility straps. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this system. Pros: versatility and ease of use. One of the standout features of the Stay Hold system is its versatility. These holders stick to your car's carpet using Velcro brand hooks, making them easy to install and reposition. Whether you're hauling groceries, paint tins, plants, or toolboxes, these holders are up to the task. Create compartments in your trunk. Say goodbye to a chaotic trunk. The Metro large and small shopping organizers can be combined to create compartments, allowing you to keep different items separated and secure during transportation. Durable and flexible materials. Constructed from durable and flexible polypropylene, the Stay Hold organizers are engineered to last. The Vac Life Tire Inflator VL728 is a cordless, rechargeable air compressor designed for various applications. It caught our eye, and today we'll break down the pros and cons. First up, the speed. This inflator means business. It can pump up a 195/55/R15 car tire from 0 to 35 psi in less than 6 minutes. Perfect for those emergency situations on the road. It's versatile and beginner-friendly. Cordless and portable host. No need for external power. This inflator runs on a rechargeable battery pack, making it incredibly portable. Perfect for inflating tires, bikes, or even sports equipment on the go. And check this out. The bottom of the device has built-in storage for all the accessories, so no more missing attachments. Long-lasting power host, powered by 3 large-capacity batteries of 2,000 mAh. This inflator can work continuously for up to 20 minutes after a full charge. It's recommended to take a short break after each 10-minute use for optimal performance. The Vac Life VL728 comes with 4+N smart modes. Whether you're a driver, cyclist, or adventurer, the Vac Life VL728 has you covered. The Alpicool C15 is making waves with its -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius, deep chilling down performance. Let's break down the details. Capacity and storage host. With a 15-litre capacity, this portable freezer can fit up to 20 cans of your favorite beverage. That's enough space for a variety of items, making it an ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. One standout feature is its ability to freeze without the need for ice. The C15 can reach an impressive -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for use as both a fridge and freezer. It's also compatible with small solar systems. Next, hey Jeep enthusiasts, are you ready to take your off-road experience to a whole new level? The must-have upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. But before we embark on this illuminating journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Jeep-centric content. Let's roll! This tactical-inspired body cladding brings both style and functionality to your Jeep. Let's check out what makes it stand out. Features and benefits. First off, this lighting system is a breeze to install. No need for modifications to the fender. It simply attaches with the included VHB adhesive. Connect it using the provided instructions, troubleshooting guides, and support videos for a straightforward setup. Pros: fast charging. With a whopping 120 W, this charger ensures speedy charging for iOS and Android devices, keeping you powered up on your journeys. Retractable cables. Say goodbye to tangled cords. The 2.7 feet retractable cables for iOS and Android devices make storage and usage hassle-free. 4 electronic ports. Equipped with 4 USB ports, it's a multitasking marvel, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Compact design. Fits seamlessly into your car's auxiliary power outlet, blending convenience with a sleek and portable design. Next, we're unfolding the story of the Bijoni 67 X8.7 folding steel loading ramps. Let's roll into it. Priced at $119.99, they promise to be your heavy-duty solution for loading and unloading. Let's see what these bad boys have to offer. Worried about slipping? The ramps feature an anti-skid design on the surface, providing strong traction and friction. Plus, EVA anti-skid pads at the back prevent scratches, and enhance friction with your vehicle. Weighing in at 15.4 pounds each, these heavy-duty ramps can individually bear up to 480 pounds. Combine them, and you've got a whopping 960 pounds load capacity. Perfect for motorcycles, lawn mowers, ATVs, trucks, snowmobiles, and trailers. Added security. Design and dimensions. Crafted from sturdy steel, these ramps unfold to a convenient size of 67 x 8.7 x 1.9 and fold down to 35.4 x 8.7. Next up is the CURT is causing quite a stir, boasting a 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon with 2,457 ratings. It's Amazon's choice in towing hitch receivers by CURT, and we're about to find out why. Design and build. Crafted from durable carbon steel and finished with a sleek gloss black powder coat, this hitch means business. Weighing in at 13 pounds, it's built for dependable strength and is designed specifically for trucks like the Dodge Ram 1500, 2500 and 3500. Towing capacity with a whopping 6,000 pounds. Gross trailer weight and a 600 pounds. Tongue weight, this hitch is not playing around. It can handle a 10,000 pounds. Weight distribution capacity and a 1,000 pounds. Weight distribution tongue weight, that's some serious towing power. Versatility. The CURT 13333 comes with a standard 2-inch x 2-inch hitch receiver, giving you the freedom to tow various loads. Whether it's a ball mount, cargo carrier, bike rack or tow hook, this hitch is ready for action. The best part? No drilling required. Rust and UV resistance. Worried about the elements? Fear not. This tow hitch is coated with a dual-layer finish of rust-resistant liquid bonderite and a highly durable black powder coat. It's like a suit of armor, protecting against rust, chips, and those relentless UV rays. Installation. Installing this beast is a breeze. It offers a custom factory fit on select model years of the Ram 1500, 2500 or 3500, as well as the Dodge Ram 1500, 2500 or 3500. Next up, pet parents. This Zipline system is not just your average pet seatbelt. It's crafted to reduce distracted driving by keeping your pet out of the front seat. The adjustable leash tether spans 6 feet, providing freedom of movement while ensuring safety. Installation. Included accessories. Let's talk about what you get in the package: a zip line, an adjustable leash tether, and 2 carabiners. One large carabiner moves along the line itself, while the other is attached to the end of the leash. Next up, hey there, parents and caregivers. We're shining a light on the Munchkin Breaker Sun safety car window roller shade. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more parenting essentials. Now, let's get started. First up, the White Hot Heat Alert System. This innovative feature turns white when the car gets too hot, ensuring a comfortable and safe ride for your precious cargo. Safety first. The dual attachment system offers flexibility. You can choose between adjustable swivel window clips, suction cups, or both for a customized fit that stays securely in place. Installation is a breeze. The SafeView Premium Mesh provides superior visibility while effectively filtering out harmful UVA and UVB rays. Your little one gets a clear view, and you get peace of mind. Retract button. Equipped with a one-push retract button. Next up, attention truck and trailer owners. Are you tired of struggling with inflexible trailer hitches that just don't cut it? Well, today we've got the perfect solution for you. Let's explore what makes it a must-have for truck and trailer enthusiasts. Features and Benefits Rhino USA proudly presents this heavy-duty aluminum tow hitch, engineered for quick and easy adjustments to adapt to any towing situation. Whether you need a drop or rise, this hitch provides an extremely versatile and user-friendly design. Let's delve into the features that set this hitch apart. Strength and capacity. This adjustable trailer hitch boasts an industry-leading strength with a 2-inch hitch ball towing capacity of 8,000 pounds. The reversible 2516 ball takes it up a notch with an impressive 12,500 pounds towing capacity. Perfect for hauling heavy trucks, RVs, trailers, campers, and more. Build quality crafted from top-grade aluminum with an oxide block, this hitch is engineered for lifelong protection against rust, wear, and corrosion. The milled aluminum construction not only provides maximum security, but also ensures a lightweight and easy-to-handle towing experience.